Hi everybody, this is my grandfather clock that I made. It took me about 2 hours of my time because I had to cut up all the cardboard and hot glue it and whatnot. But yeah, here's the overlook of it. It's got a moving pendulum and everything. So, in case you didn't know, my name is Jesse Andrews. So, I call it the grandson clock because I'm at my grandpa's house and my grandma's house. And I'm their grandson, so yeah. And it's smaller than a grandfather clock and a grandmother clock, so kind of fits. Pendulum on or off. You can really hear it too. Simple mechanism in there. Yeah. So without any further ado, let's hear a song from it. It's got 12 songs, one for every hour. So this button is hooked to the one inside the clock. So let's get it to the hour. Turn the pendulum off. That's really noisy. So, my last video I made on it, I didn't want to really shoot because you could barely hear the thing. So, sounds weird. So it plays one song for every hour. There's just a test button for it. So yeah, I'll give you guys an inside look on it, if y'all were curious. It's just got one screw holding in the side. A long screw. Okay. There we are. One heck of a clock. Got the pendulum batteries, pendulum switch, the music batteries, the clock battery, and the speaker. So, it's got a capacitor right there too. So, that's all it is. Very simple clock. Like and subscribe for more custom stuff, and put in the comments what y'all want me to make, and I will do my best to make it. So if I'm capable of this, I know I'm capable of other things. So, like and subscribe, and comment. I will be reading the comments, and I'll give you a heart on your comment if you comment. So, yep. Have a great day, and stay healthy.